What's going on, guys? It's your Forex Prince James here, back at with another video. And sorry, I have a little head cold, but we're going to try to get through this as best as we possibly can. All right, today's video is going to be a really interesting video. I'm going to be showing you my top 5 indicators. All right, and if that's something you think you're going to be interested in, go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you smash the comment section and make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel, because we're gonna always drop gems. Whether you catch them or not, they're gonna be here, right here. So let's get right to it. Like I said, quick disclaimer: anything I show you here today is and solely for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing I show you here today will make you $1 million. Nothing I show you here today will make you rich. I am here to help people become wealthy and get out of this 9 to 5 trap lifestyle, and we are going to get it. So if that's something you're interested in, continue to like this video and like this channel. Alright, and today we're going to be showing you my favorite indicators, top 5, but I got some gems for you I'm gonna leave here at the end of this video. Not going to take you too long because we're not going to be doing no analysis. We're just going to be looking at US 30 on a 15-minute chart with this bot running up with my indicators. All right, and let's go on to the first screen. And the first 2 indicators that I like, I won't be displaying any settings for these indicators as well, because this is, like I said, I'm not here to show you a strategy today. I am not here to show you any chart marking up or nothing. I'm just showing you my top 5 indicators and why I like to use them. All right, so if you see on my screen, I am running the Bollinger Bands with the Ichimoku cloud, and what this does, it shows me live market volatility, and it shows me exactly what's going on. If I wanted to just run this chart just right here and trade, I could. Like I said, I can't give you the settings for this because this is not something that I'm promoting, but this is awesome. You can see that price went overbought many times, and it came back down to retest the basis line, and we're just in a buying trend motion. So technically, we will be waiting for the pullbacks, and we are going to be buying at the pullbacks. All right, so let's go ahead into the second indicator here. Going to move the stochastic down and show you exactly what's going on. All right, here we got a buy signal here. It bounced off the basis line and took off, did it not? On US 30, this would have been crazy pips. All right, and I like that I use my super ATR. This is my custom indicator here, and if you want more of my custom indicators, you go ahead and you go check out my Fiverr store. I also added some more stuff in there. I now give out 3 custom indicators, an advanced MACD, a super ATR, and a double moving average buying sell indicator. So we'll go over that at the end of this video, but let's go back to this. So yeah, like I said, I like using my super ATR either on my RSI, or let me show you. I want you to see. I either like using my RSI or my stochastic from the stochastic video, and we're just going to move that, and you can see it shows the same thing. It shows when to buy, it shows when to sell, it shows you how long you should have held that trade for, and then like I said, that's all in confluence to what's going on up top. All right, so I don't want you guys to think that my indicators are too custom and I don't know what I'm doing and all this extra hoorah. But still, like I said, I want you to understand what's going on with this strategy. So like I said, I like using that super ATR with either my RSI or my stochastic. But you know, for the people that don't know, I created my stochastic settings as well. You can see that video on my channel. We're going to move this super ATR back up to the RSI. You see that's what it looked like solo. You see how it's changing colors, and you know that just said sell, right? I'm pretty sure that was a sell trade. And we're gonna move to existing pane above. Boom, so you can see everything. All right, and then I like my stochastic oscillator because this shows me true range. It shows me exactly what market is doing, even when the RSI is playing range and hoorah. My stochastic settings will tell me what price and market is doing. You can clearly see that with what's being displayed here. Like I said, I like the RSI and this stochastic oscillator because it shows me true range of market movement. All right, not all the time will it be 100% accurate. None of this will be 100% accurate. No strategy is 100% accurate. And if he's selling you a strategy that is 100% accurate, that man is a liar. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and move on from that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move from that YouTube page, that YouTube channel is entirely, and go on to someone else's. All right. So like I said, those are my 5 top indicators. Let me go ahead and show you. Let me go ahead and show you my custom indicators so I can go ahead and get you squared away. Let's switch to my chart. No, it's not my divergent strategy. It was, but now we got something ranged on. All right, so let me hit you with some replays. Give me a minute. Let me hit you with some replays because we on the same thing in US 30, and I want you to get what I'm giving you here. Boom. Boom. All right, so we're going to hit this. We're going to blow that screen up, and we're going to hit play. Cool. So like I said, I have the advanced MACD. This is this. It shows you exactly what to do, when to do it. Got a lot of choppiness, but when you do purchase this indicator from me for $30 from my Fiverr store, I'll give you a free strategy to help tone out some of this noise as much. And then same thing goes for this RSI and this super ATR. All right, you see what it's doing. It shows you exactly what to do. All right, you would have got your positions. You would have been doing everything. I'm telling you, this is accurate, guys. You can't. I think I'm gonna come in here, right? I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna turn off the background so you can see vivid colors. All right, that's what that does. All right, Super ATR is a beast. It shows you exactly what trend changed to and when it changed. And then up here you have my double moving average buy and sell. It shows you overall when market changes, when trend has changed. You see trend is now into a selling trend. Did my MACD and Super ATR not just say that was a selling trend, selling motion? Yeah, that'd have been a great trade on US 30. But I'm not saying that this strategy or system or anything in this screen is 100% accurate. I'm simply just showing you custom indicators that will help make your trading lifestyle easier. All right? And like I said, if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and comment down below what indicators you think I should customize and put some things on. And if you already got a strategy, hit me up inside Fiverr or message me or send me an email, and let's tweak your strategy and get your strategy worked on. All right, let's help you create some rules for your lifestyle, and let's just take things further. Going forward with this video, pretty much done here. Like I said, I wanted to show you everything I had to offer, which is my 3 custom indicators that are now on my Fiverr store. My Super ATR, forget the prices exactly. I can't even tell you. But go check that out. The link will be in the description below. Also, I do still run signals to my free signals group. That link will also be down in the description below. If you need courses, if you need strategies, if you need guides, profit plans, those links will be down in the description below. So go ahead and make sure you guys check them out. All right. So like I said, I hope you guys got something from this video. I hope I didn't steal too much of your time. I will be dropping more videos on my psychology training. So, let's just keep everything posted. For better or worse, stay safe, y'all. Love you guys.